Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back again in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It's amazing, guys. We know that Christmas is coming up soon and we'll give you the tips and idea how you can get the meat ready ahead before Christmas. So basically, I have some pork right here. I just washed them off into some lemon juice water. Or if you want to use white vinegar, 2, 4, 6, 8 lovely piece of nice lovely steak, guys. As you can see, looking lovely. So we're going to do some jerk pork with this. Really beautiful and nice. I just washed them off, and as you can see, fresh, clean and lovely. Really nice. I love my pork, guys, and I'm going to do some lovely nice pork chops right here. So basically, I have one of my favorite browning I normally use. This is my browning, which I normally use for most of my meat what I'm doing. So basically, you don't need too much. Just roughly a teaspoon just to give it a little bit of a color. So we're going to put roughly a teaspoon because this one is very strong. So you have to be careful. You don't want it to too black. You know what I mean? You just want a little bit of color. And that's what we are doing at the moment. Lovely. So next thing, what we're going to do, we're going to add some white onion. Lovely. We have some pork seasoning. Teaspoon of pork seasoning, guys. Please don't get mugged up with the season with the teaspoon and the tablespoon and this. This is garlic and coriander season. It's a pinch, just a little pinch at the moment. Alright? Lovely. We're gonna put some paprika. Teaspoon of paprika. Lovely and nice. We have some jerk season, and I'm gonna put a large teaspoon. This is a large teaspoon of jerk season. So roughly 1.5 large teaspoon of jerk seasoning. Lovely. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. Just a little pinch of paprika. Sorry guys, of all-purpose seasoning, not too much, because remember the jerk seasoning have a lot of bits and pieces in it already. So basically, if you buy your jerk seasoning at the local shop, please look at the ingredients and see what's on the ingredients if you're allergic to anything. Be careful of your using just not your hand to marinate your meat. Please use gloves because of the jerk seasoning. You can rub your hand in your eye. So please, guys. So basically what we're going to do now is just simply marinate it just like this. Nice one. So before we go any further, let's pop roughly some oil just to give it free up some. I'm using some olive oil. So roughly a large spoon of olive oil. Alright, so what happened now, the oil do give it to moisture and give it a nice lovely. So on the day when we're gonna do like put the jerk pork in the oven, we're gonna have some more thyme, garlic and bits and pieces which we're gonna also rub on it. But this way when they marinate, you know what I mean, the season get to soak inside of it and get it ready for your Christmas. Alright, that's looking lovely and nice, and I will show you how to cook this one on Christmas Day. So this is the way you're gonna marinate it, get it ready for your Christmas. As you can see, look at the color, looking lovely and nice. Really good, guys. Seriously, that is beautiful. And to be honest, this one, what you can do after you marinate it, if you have one of those like frozen bag, you can put it in your freezer and get it ready. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna simple put them in my freezer bag like this. But the way you have to be careful, you don't want to just chuck them in a bag like that. You want to put them in the right and proper way inside of the freezer bag. That means when you're gonna take them up, them still looking lovely and nice. So don't just chuck them inside of the freezer bag. And so what a chef here do? You need me show how to put them in the freezer bag. Alright, so take it down, spread them out, just gently inside of the freezer bag. Just like this. And just like this, guys. And simple. Put the rest of the season on it like this. Nice and lovely. And all you need to do, as you can see, nice and lovely. Just simple. Tight, seal it, write the date, write what ingredients inside of it, and write what the name of the ingredient are. So this is pork, so you write pork, jerk pork, and you write the date. And it can last for 1 month in your freezer, and you can use it before the day of Christmas. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Bye bye.